Good morning, friends. Welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So please forgive me. I still have a little bit of swelling, so I know my voice is still a little bit slurred, and I'm sorry for that. But this morning, I wanted to share with you this tumbler that came out so nice. So this is such a gorgeous veteran tumbler. I did, a rustic flag on the back. I wanted this to be in like a black and white. And I just really, really like how this turned out. I used a chalk paint as the base, which really tends to be my favorite when I'm leaving a base painted. I myself really like chalk paint when I can use it because I just love the texture that it leaves, and it dries so quickly. But this turned out super nice. This is a Hog 30-ounce skinny, and I wanted the picture to be quite large. That's why I chose to use this bigger tumbler for this. But I am really happy with this, and I think that he is going to really like it as well. So if you'd like to see how I put this one together, I'll have the video attached. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for everyone who has supported me through this journey. I appreciate it so much. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day and an extremely happy Thanksgiving. Take care, friends. Stay safe. Bye. And here is the tumbler up close so you can see what it looks like. And you can see like just the way the chalk paint, the texture that it gives, it's just this really nice, perfect texture, and it's why I like chalk paint. All right, I'll attach the video. Bye, friends. All right, so for this tumbler, I painted it with a chalk paint. Now, I want you to see how nice that looks. And the reason why I love using chalk paint when I'm doing a painted cup is the texture. Like, it gives this smooth, gorgeous texture. I don't always have the color I need in chalk paint, but when I do, it's my preference. All right, so I'm using this. This is a tattoo I got from Amazon. And now I'm using a bigger cup so that I can put a lot more on it. And on this one, now I, of course, can't get the whole thing, but what's important for me on this one, I want to get some paratroopers. So I'm going to get this soldier in. I want to get some paratroopers, and then I want these helicopters and all of this stuff. So this is more World War II, and this is present day. So the person that I'm making this for, it is my ex-husband, and he is an absolute patriot. And I meant to do this for him for Veterans Day, and I just got a little bit busy with stuff going on. So I'm gonna get this finished up and get it to him. So these are the parts that are important to me. So I am gonna go in and just cut out around what I need. And then the nice thing is the other side of it. So I'm also making a bullet tumbler for Scott because
he is an absolute World War II buff. So I may find myself able to use the other half for that tumbler. I mean, if not, I'll definitely be able to use the other half at some point or something. All right. Now I also don't want this to be jagged. I'm going to take that down. And then I don't want any of that. And I'm gonna just kind of go around this because I don't know that the white might not show up on the edges, which I don't want. So I'm gonna just take this around. I hope I'm in film. It's so hard because I'm getting better, but as you're doing things, to make sure that you're like in frame and get things where you can work on them at the same time is not always easy. So sorry about that. And then I'm putting an American flag on it, and I have this nice glittery flag, which is funny because he's such a dude, but he also likes shiny things. So I think it'll be a good combination. And then since he is Matthew's grandfather, on the bottom of it, I'm going to put a picture of Alyssa and Matthew. All right, that will be perfect. So it'll actually go this way. So that's gonna look good. All right, and let's see. I need to find my spray bottle of water. I'll be right back. All right. That's the hardest part since I moved my tumblers outside, because you know most stuff is in my craft room and having to bring things in and out. However, I do definitely like having my tumblers outside. All right, so now with these, remember there is a protective plastic over the top, so you do have to take that off. And then now you have to make sure that you're happy where you get it, because once you stick this down, it is down. Okay, now I like to, on these big ones like this, I like to do the center and then go out like this, and then I just spray it down really good. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just like put some wet napkins on it. That works. I like to spray it down, and then I take napkins and cover it. Now, when you're doing this, be really careful. You just want to press. You don't want to slide, because if you slide your tattoo, you're going to have your image all over the place, okay? So be very careful with that. All right. And beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice. So nice. He's gonna love it. Now, for this, I'm going to be putting epoxy on this twice. So this first time, I'm not gonna put his name. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, get it covered. I'll go ahead and put the American flag on it though, because I want that to have epoxy on it twice. So I have, you know, these are my flags, and we'll just sort of see. So I think that this bigger one will be good. And I want to put, of course, his name and rank. I mean, I could do, I still think the bigger one is better. And then I'll probably put his name and rank and stuff up here. Or I might put, you know, his unit up here and then his name over it. We'll see. I'll let it get epoxy and then we'll see how it looks and kind of decide then. The American flag. All right. All right, so there is that. We'll get some epoxy on it and go from there.